side India number 4 and the left side area name is Bodanik. This is Bodanik area. What is the name of this area? Bodanik. This is Al-Wada Road, E11, and E11 coming from Dubai. E11 coming from Dubai. Now had a signal, and this signal name is Mutawa Junction. What is the name of this junction? Mutawa. Before Mutawa Junction, this is Al-Wada Road. Before this signal, this is Al-Wada. If we are going straight, after signal, the road name is Sheikh Umaid bin Sakar Road. Sheikh Umaid bin Sakar Al-Qasmi. And this signal, if you take right and left, both side road name is Sheikh Sakar bin Khalid. Sheikh Sakar bin Khalid Road. Sheikh Sakar bin Khalid Road. But now we take left from the signal. When we take left, the road name is Sheikh Sakar bin Khalid. Sheikh Sakar bin Khalid. When we take left, then right side area name is Yarmouk and the left side area name is Bodanik. Now you check your book. There is have Sheikh Sakar bin Khalid Road. Then right hand Yarmouk and the left side Bodanik. What is inside Yarmouk area? Yarmouk area inside have Gold Center, Labor Office, Church Complex, Consultative Council, Maya Supermarket, Nisto Hypermarket, and Sharia City for humanitarian services. This is Yarmouk area in the right hand. Left side Bodanik. Bodanik inside the big landmark is Mega Mall, Rayyan Hotel, Arbela Hotel, Sharjah Tulipin Hotel, and now right side this is Gold Center. Gold Center. The left side Rayyan Hotel. Rayyan Hotel. Right side Yarmouk and the left side area name is Bodanik. Left side area name is Bodanik. Now head is roundabout and this roundabout name is Istiqlal Square. Istiqlal Square. Before this roundabout, right side Yarmouk and the left side Bodanik. If we are going straight, after roundabout, right side Al-Manakh and the left side area name is Mahatta Al-Qasmiya. Mahatta Al-Qasmiya. But now we take left from the roundabout. When we take left, the right side area name is Mahatta. This roundabout, if you take right and left, both side road name is Istiqlal. Which road? Istiqlal. At this roundabout, we have common name. Mobile roundabout and Spinners roundabout and Al-Qasmiya roundabout.
3 times.
Yes, but official name is Istiqlal Square. Istiqlal Square. But the common name is Mobile because around this roundabout we have lot of mobile shops and mobile market is here. And this roundabout, if you take right or left, both side road name is Istiqlal. Now we take left in Istiqlal Road. Then we check what is inside Mahatta Al-Qasmiya. This is Istiqlal roundabout, mobile roundabout. Istiqlal. Istiqlal roundabout. This is Istiqlal Road. When we take left, the right side, this is Mahatta Al-Qasmiya area. What is the name of this area? Mahatta Al-Qasmiya. Now your left side, this is Bodanik area. Which area? Bodanik. Look your left side Bodanik, this is Mega Mall. Mega Mall. The right side Mahatta Al-Qasmiya. Now had a signal, and this signal name is immigration signal. What is the name of the signal? Immigration. Before this signal, the right side Mahatta, and the right side there is one building. This is Sharia Immigration.
Tahsil.
Sharjah immigration. This is Sharjah immigration, old one. The new immigration is Rahmaniya, the day 4 location. This is Sharjah immigration. Sharjah immigration. Maktab Jawazat. Area name is Mahatal Kasmiya. And this signal, if you take right and left, both side road name is King Abdul Aziz. King Abdul Aziz. Where is Mega Mall? Budanik area, front of Istiqlal Road. This is main entrance of Mega Mall. And in front of Mega Mall, we have taxi queue there. Taxi line. So must you follow the taxi queue. Without taxi queue, not allowed to pick passenger front of main entrance. Without taxi queue. So always you follow the taxi line. This is Budanik area. What is the name of this area? Budanik. If we are going straight, the T junction. When you take right, then you get Tasheel is there, beside this building. Okay? But now we take left. Now you look your left side, this is Sharjah Electricity and Water Authority. Beside the Mega Mall. Now we are in behind Mega Mall. This is back door of Mega Mall. The Mega Mart also. Now you look ahead. Exactly behind the Mega Mall there is Arbela Hotel. Beside the Arbela Hotel there is Sharjah Tulipin. Sharjah Tulipin. Now you look your left side, this is taxi queue. Must you follow the taxi line. When you come here, passenger dropping point is here. You drop the passenger is here. And not allowed to pick passenger from this place. Okay? This is the front of main entrance. Not allowed to pick passenger from here. Must you following the taxi queue. Okay guys? We come back again. Istiqlal Street. Now we are going to Yarmouk area. Now we check what is inside Yarmouk area exactly where is. Okay? This is Istiqlal Street, left side Mahata and the right side Budanik. Again we come back to Istiqlal roundabout. Yani mobile roundabout. Which roundabout? Mobile. Now your right side, this is Yarmouk area. Which area? So around this roundabout we have 4 areas. Around is the class where how many areas? 4 areas. Yani if you coming from Sheikh Sakar Mir Khalid Road, from Matawa Junction, then before roundabout right side Yarmouk and the left side Budanik. After roundabout right side Al Manakh. Now your left side this is Al Manakh area. And this is Istiqlal Road. Right side Yarmouk. And Yarmouk, this road, in Istiqlal Road, we have right and left lot of rent a car offices here. Rent a Car. Look your right and left. Rent a car office is here. Rent a car. Yarmouk and Manakh. Yarmouk and Al-Manakh. Now we take right. We are going to inside Yarmouk area. This all is Yarmouk, okay? Now we check where is the church complex and the labor office and the Sharjah city for humanitarian services. Yarmouk. Roundabout and this roundabout, if you take left, then you get community department and also labor office is here. This is beside the community department. There is labor office, Ministry of Labor. And if we are going straight, then we get there is the hill and Nisto hypermarket is there. Okay? And now your left side, inside this wall, Sharjah city for humanitarian services. Inside this one, in your left side, in Yarmouk area, Sharjah city for humanitarian services. And right side behind, this is school, and behind school there is church complex. Church complex. Now we take right for church complex. This is the main entrance of church complex from here. In Sharjah, church complex is only Yarmouk area. All church is here. Church. Now we are behind the church. Your left side, this all building is church. Church complex. The different type of church. Asian church and the European and the Russian and the blah blah. Okay? Now your left side all is church. Now you look ahead below this building, the beautiful building. This is Russian church. Russian church. Also your right side, this is also a church. Now we take left. When we take left, this is the main entrance of all church. Here your left side. This is the main entrance, front of church. Okay? There is a very popular church, is St. Michael Church. Which church?
St. Michael.
Yes. The Michael Church, Michael Catholic. Church is the most important and for Asians. And you get lot of passengers from the church and also from city area to come here. You get lot of passengers, especially Friday and Sunday. Friday and Sunday. Beside the church, here is a very big school, the Marfa International. Marfa International School, maybe don't have in your book. This is Marfa International School. Marfa International School. And also you get passenger from the Marfa International. This is the main entrance of Marfa International. American and British curriculum. This is Marfa International School. Mostly you get passenger from the school afternoon. And after 1 o'clock. In the morning from the city to Yarmouk school area. Marfa International School. Marfa International. Again we come back to Istiklal Street. Istiklal. This is Istiklal Road. Before this roundabout, your right side Yarmouk area and the left side area name is Manakh. Beside the Manakh area there is Musalla. And after Musalla there is Masloon. And after Masloon there is Al-Feha. How many areas? 5. Before this roundabout, you look your right side, Yarmouk area. This is Consultative Council, Majlis Istishari. Consultative Council. And behind Consultative Council, there is Maya Supermarket in Yarmouk area. Okay, guys? Before this roundabout, this is Istiklal Road. Istiklal Road finished before this roundabout. If you take free right from here, this is Sheikh Zayed Road. Which road?
Sheikh Zayed.
Sheikh Zayed. After Sheikh Zayed Road, the second area name in the right hand, Al Feha. Which area? Al Feha. Al Feha is not showing here. The last area, this is Al Feha. Al Feha, after the second exit from the roundabout, there is Kuwait Road. Kuwait Road runs to Ajman. If we are going to Kuwait Road, then going straight end of the Kuwait Road, we get T Road, the Naimia, Ajman, Sharjah border. Third exit also is Sheikh Zayed Road, Sheikh Zayed. And Sheikh Zayed Road towards Clock Tower roundabout. Musalla area near Kuwait roundabout. Where is the Consultative Council? Yarmouk area near Kuwait roundabout. Kuwait roundabout. Now you look your right side, this is Al Feha, and Al Feha inside have near this roundabout Al Feha Park. Al Feha Park. Near Kuwait roundabout. This is Share Kuwait, in Kuwait Street. This is Masloon area. Masloon. Masloon. This is Sheikh Zayed Road. Sheikh Zayed. This is Sharjah City Municipality. Sharjah City Municipality. And this area name is Musalla. Near Kuwait roundabout. This is Ibrahim Muhammad Al Midfa. There is Etisalat Tower. This is the Etisalat building. Etisalat building. Tower. Etisalat. Headquarter. Come back again, Istiqlal Road. Right side Al Manakh and the left side Yarmouk. Okay guys?
Yes.
Now we are going to Al Manakh area. Al Manakh area, your right side, this is Etisalat. Salat headquarter. We have lot of branches in all Sharjah, but this is headquarter. Head office. Mobile roundabout, Istiqlal roundabout, and Spinus roundabout. Now we take free right. This is same Sheikh Sakar bin Khalid Road. Sheikh Sakar bin Khalid. When we take Sheikh Sakar bin Khalid Road, the right side area name is Manakh and the left side area name is Mahat Al Qasmiya. And if we take right from here, then you get Indian Association. Indian Association. And beside the Indian Association, there is Pakistani Social Service Center. Pakistani Social Service Center. This is Sheikh Sakar bin Khalid Road. Sheikh Sakar bin Khalid. Left side Mahat Al Qasmiya and the right side Al Manakh. Al Manakh. Now head is roundabout and this roundabout name is government roundabout. And the government roundabout in your book, the second roundabout is government roundabout. Second roundabout is in your book, government roundabout. Before government roundabout, your right side area name is Al Manakh and the left side Mahatta. Al Mahatta and Al Manakh related to government roundabout and also mobile roundabout, yani Istiqlal roundabout. So around this roundabout, government roundabout, we have 6 areas. How many areas? 6 areas. Left side Mahatta, and Mahatta inside have your left side. This building is old rural office in Mahatta. And before this roundabout, we will take right. When we will take right, the right side, this is Africa Hall. Africa Hall. Africa Hall inside Al Manakh. Al Manakh. And now we are looking Al Manakh and Musalla. When you take free right, this is Ibrahim Muhammad Al Midfa Road. And if you take right from here, then you end up the road, you get Kuwait roundabout. Which roundabout? You understand to me?
Yes, sir.
If you don't understand to me, ask me, okay?
Yes, sir.
Don't be stop your. And left side, this is Matajir Musalla. Matajir Musalla. Inside Musalla area. This is Ibrahim Muhammad Al Midfa. What is the name of this road? Ibrahim Muhammad Al Midfa. Right side Al Manakh and the left side Musalla area. Which area? Musalla. Now you look your right side in Al Manakh. This is Al Gharb police station. Al Gharb police station. Al Gharb police station. This one. Al Manakh, Ibrahim Muhammad Al Midfa Road, opposite Musalla. Now you look your left side Musalla area. There is Grand Mall. Grand Mall. Grand Mall. Grand Mall. Musalla. And if we are going straight, end of the Ibrahim Muhammad Al Midfa Road, we get Kuwait roundabout. Which roundabout? Before Kuwait roundabout, right side Etisalat headquarter, and the left side Sharjah City Municipality. But now we take right from here. Inside Al Manakh, we have there is Al Manakh Health Center. Al Manakh Health Center. Now we are looking Al Manakh Health Center. Where is exactly Al Manakh Health Center? Inside Al Manakh. So exactly Al Manaf Health Center behind Al Garb police station. Al Garb police station. And now your right side, this is Al Garb police station. Sorry, Al Manaf Health Center. This is Al Manaf Health Center and also the National Center for National Center for Malaria. You know malaria?
Yes.
The National Center for Malaria vaccine is here. Front of Al Manaf Park. Your left side, this is Al Manaf Park. The middle of Al Manaf. Al Manaf. So this is Al Manaf Health Center and the National Center for Malaria. In government. Government roundabout around we have 6 areas. How many areas? So we finished 4 areas. Sorry, 3 areas. Mahatta area, Manaf area, and beside the Manaf Musalla. Musalla inside have 3 landmark. Grand Mall, Sharjah City Municipality, and Matajan Musalla. Al Manaf area, we already finished at Islam Headquarter, Africa Hall, and Indian Association, Pakistani Social Service Center, Al Garb Police Station, and Al Manaf Health Center. Now you look view of the government roundabout. This is a very big roundabout. And now you look your left side. This is Sharia Center Post Office. You get it? This is Sharia Center Post Office area. Name is Al Sur. Which area? Al Sur. Al Sur area inside have Sharia Center Post Office and the King Faisal Mosque. King Faisal Mosque and Al Sur Textile Market and Ittihad Square Park. Ittihad Square Park inside Al Sur area. Now your left side, this is Al Tarafa. Al Tarafa inside there, this is Al Iman Mosque. Look your left side. Al Iman Mosque. Masjid Al Iman. And if you take right from here, this is Al Zara Street. And Al Zara Street merges to Clock Tower roundabout. If we are going Al Zara Street, then we get Clock Tower roundabout in Al Zara Square. When you cross this roundabout, then right side, this is the mosque building. The mosque building inside, this is area name is Al Guwair. And your left side, Al Tarafa. Al Tarafa, 2 landmarks, Sata and Iman Mosque. You look at the right side, this is Sharjah Plaza Hotel. Sharjah Plaza. And beside the Sharjah Plaza, Najum Al Marad. This is Najum Al Marad. Najum Al Marad. Now your right side area name is Al Guwair and the left side area name is Al Tarafa. Al Tarafa. Al Tarafa inside have only 2 landmarks. Al Iman Mosque and Sata. Sata means Sharjah Airport Tourist Travel Agency. Okay? And the right side Al Guwair and Al Guwair common name is Rolla. The Rolla is a very big area and very popular. End of Sheikh Sakar bin Khalid Road, we get T Road. The T Road name is Al Aruba. Before T Road, your right side, this is KM Trading Shopping Center. KM Trading?
Shopping center.
KM Trading Shopping Center. KM Trading? Shopping Center. When we take right from the end of Sheikh Sakar bin Khalid Road, this is Al Aruba Street. Al Aruba. When you take right, beside the KM Trading, this is New Sharjah Gold Center. Sharjah Gold Center New. New Sharjah Gold Center. So now head is signal. Before signal, right side, continue this area name is Al Guwair. If we are going straight, after signal, continue this is Al Guwair area. Rolla. Al Guwair Rolla. Before signal, we will take right. When we take right, then we get Rolla Park. In the left side, this is Rolla Park. Middle of the Rolla. Beside the Rolla Park, we have local bus stop. Local bus stop. See your left side. This is local bus stop. Local bus stop. Local bus stop. Beside the Rolla Park, Al Guwair area. Which area? Al Guwair. Now you look your right side. This is Shark Hotel. Shark. Beside the bus stop. Opposite Rolla Park, Al Guwair area. This is Shark Hotel. Shark. Also have is a very big cargo. Ruby Cargo. Ruby Cargo. And if we are going straight, end of the road, the T road name is Al Zahra. Al Zahra. From Al Zahra, if you take right, then you get government roundabout. Which roundabout? Government. But now we take left from the and make U-turn beside the Rolla Park. Now this is Al Zahra Street, and beside the Al Zahra Street, opposite side there is Musalla area. Which area this one? Musalla. This is Rolla Park, your left side. And this here, all area name is Al Guwair Rolla. Al Guwair Rolla. This is Al Guwair area, Rolla. And the right side behind this building there is a one market, name is Al Guwair Market. Which market? Al Guwair. Al Guwair Market is a very big market, Al Guwair. This one here, Al Guwair Market. Garments. The mostly shop is garments. Yes. And there is one plaza, Zubair Plaza. Inside Al Guwair area. Al Guwair. Al Guwair. Al Guwair area inside have also there is one hospital, very popular hospital. The old name is Al Zahra Hospital, but now new name is NMC Royal Hospital. Now change the name. Old name is Al Zahra. And new name? Day 3 location, okay? When I give you day 3 tomorrow, then I explain you. And this way going to straight end of the direction we get Ajman. This way going to Sharjah city to city and Ajman city. Al Aruba Street. Ahead is bridge, and after bridge the road name is changed. After bridge road name is Shark. After bridge road name is Shark. But before bridge you will take right. We will take right. Under this bridge have roundabout. And before roundabout we take free right. And before this roundabout your right side, this all area name is Al Guwair. When we take right from the roundabout, the road name is Arabian Gulf Road. Arabian Gulf. यानी under this bridge.
ये हाथ नीचे रखो, उधर मिरर नहीं देखता, तुम क्या फिल्म बना रहे हो यार? 3 बार तो बोल दिए, या ऊपर रखो या नीचे।
हेलो, वो ग्लास फ्री रखो। हाँ, ओके। This roundabout, if you take right and left, both side road name is Arabian Gulf Road. Now you look your left side, this is Al Nabba and the Swiss Bell Hotel. This is Swiss Bell Hotel. Swiss Bell Hotel in Al Nabba area. Which area? Al Nabba. This is Al Dar Hotel. Al Dar. Al Dar Hotel. Left side Al Nabba and the right side Al Guwair. Al Guwair. And behind Swiss Bell Hotel there is Zarqa Hotel and Al Ghadir Hotel. Exactly behind Swiss Bell Hotel. Okay guys? Now head is roundabout, and this roundabout name is Al Zahra Square. This is official name Al Zahra Square. The most popular is Clock Tower roundabout. The third one is roundabout. Clock Tower. Clock Tower roundabout. Before roundabout you look your right side. This is NMC Royal Hospital. Old name is Al Zahra Hospital. Old name is Al Zahra. This is very big hospital, private hospital. Beside the Clock Tower roundabout, Al Guwair area. Which area? And before this roundabout, if you take free right, this is Al Zahra Street towards government roundabout. Which roundabout? When you take right from here, the left side, this is Musalla. Left side area name is Musalla. So this is Al Zahra Square, but common name is Clock Tower roundabout. Clock Tower roundabout Dawarsa. In Arabic, Dawarsa. Now right side, this is Musalla. And around this roundabout we have 4 areas. How many areas? 4 areas. Right side Musalla and left side Al Nabba. Look your left side Al Nabba area, there is Dana Hotel. Look your left side, turn your Dana Hotel. And beside the Dana Hotel there is Pan Emirates Hotel. Pan Emirates. Pan Emirates Hotel. Also Al Diyar Hotel. There is also Mubarak Center. There is Lulu Hypermarket. And also there is Baby Park Center, and also there is Nisto Hypermarket. Nisto? This is Al Nabba area. Now head is one right turn. If you take right from here, this is Sheikh Zayed Road towards Kuwait roundabout. Which roundabout? Kuwait. But now we take left from the roundabout. Your right side, this is Masloon area. Masloon area inside there is Central Private Hospital. Central Hospital is there. This area name is Masloon. This road name is Al Zahra. What is the name of this road? Al Zahra. So after Clock Tower roundabout, right side Masloon, and the left side area name is Al Naba. And Masloon inside the big landmark Central Private Hospital, and there is one CID. You know CID? CID Criminal Investigation Department. In Arabic, Tahriyat. Right side Masloon. This is Tahriyat, CID department. CID department. Also, this is Sharia Police GHQ. Sharia Police. And behind Sharia Police GHQ, there is a police museum. Police museum. This is Sharia Police General Headquarters. Inside Masloon, and also CID department. And this area inside have Lulu Hypermarket, but the Lulu Hypermarket, the second road in Kuwait Road, front of Kuwait Road. When I come back from the Kuwait Road, then I show you Lulu Hypermarket. Okay, guys? Now, head is roundabout, and this roundabout name is Fire Station Roundabout. Fire Station? Before this roundabout, your left side, this is Nisto Hypermarket. Nisto? Al Naba. Which area? Al Naba. This is Al Zahra Street. Shara Al Zahra. This roundabout name is official name is Sheikh Abdul Karim Al Bakri Square. The most popular name is Fire Station Roundabout, yani Matafi Roundabout. Which roundabout? Matafi in Arabic and English Fire Station Roundabout. This roundabout, if you take right and left, both side road name is Sheikh Sultan bin Sakkar. Sheikh Sultan bin Sakkar. When you cross the roundabout, the right side Nasriya, and the Nasriya inside have Nasriya City Center. Beside the roundabout, Fire Station Roundabout. And left side Botina, and Botina inside have this is the Fire Station Headquarters. Fire Station Headquarters Sharjah. Beside the Fire Station Roundabout. The right side Nasriya. Now Nasriya inside Sharjah Electricity and Water Authority. And the left side Sharjah Health Center. Sharjah Health Center. Botina. Botina. आगे देखना पार्किंग चाहूँगा.
इधर नहीं कर सकता.
चौक में पार्किंग करना है.
कोई पार्किंग नहीं है बाबा. क्या दुकान वाले से लपड़ा करो?
नहीं वो आगे जो खाली जगह है.
कोई खाली जगह नहीं. सारी दुकान को कवर करना. जगह तो बता कि मैं उधर खड़ा हूँ. And the
Nasriya inside have Nasriya Private Driving School. Nasriya Private Driving School. Zulaikha Hospital. Zulaikha Hospital. In Nasriya. Zulaikha Hospital. Botina Nisto Hypermarket. Nisto Hypermarket. Nisto Hypermarket. आगे ये खाली जगह इसमें कर दो. Nisto Hypermarket. Now you look your left side. This is a Botina Gift Center. Botina Gift Center. So after Clock Tower roundabout, this is Al Zahra Street. But in before this roundabout, you look your left side. This is CID new CID department. This roundabout, after this roundabout, right side Qadsiya and the left side Sharqan. But now we take left from the roundabout. After this roundabout, this road name is Mirkab Road. What is the name of the road? Mirkab. But now we take left. This is Sheikh Mohammed bin Sakkar Road. Sheikh Mohammed bin Sakkar. The right side area name is Sharqan and the left side Botina. Left side Botina. Sheikh Mohammed bin Sakkar Road. Sheikh Mohammed bin Sakkar. This roundabout, if you take right and left, both side road name is Shark Road. Which road? Shark. If you take left, then you get Rolla, end of the Shark Road. But now we take right, and the end of the Shark Road we get Ajman. And if we are going straight, then we get the Sharjah Corniche and Sharjah Beach. But now we take right. This is Shark Road. Which road? Shark. the left side, this is day 3, tomorrow inshallah, okay? This is Shark Road. Right side area name is Sharkan. This is Sharjah Ajman main road. This is main road, city to city. Shark Road. Now you look your right side, this is NMC Medical Center. NMC Medical Center, we have lot of branches in Sharjah. Okay? Lot of branches in Sharjah, NMC. And this roundabout, if you take right and left, both side road name is Sheikh Muhammad bin Sultan. Sheikh Muhammad bin Sultan. After this roundabout, right side area name is Mirkab. Mirkab. And the left side day 3 location, okay? This is Shark Road. Continue, this is Shark Road. Now right side Mirkab. And behind Mirkab, there is one area name is Nakhelat. Behind Mirkab. Behind Mirkab. Mirkab. Mirkab inside have 2 landmark. Matajir Mirkab and also emergency police station, Shurta Tawari. The same front of Shark Road. I show you now. Matajir is shopping center. What is this shopping center? Behind Matajir shopping center, there is emergency police station. Behind these green trees, you look at right side. There is emergency police station. Okay? Emergency police station, special task department. Emergency police station. Area name is Mirkab. What is the name of this area? Mirkab. Left side area name is Arafah, but this is day 3, okay? Arafah. Road name is Shark. Now head is roundabout, and this roundabout name is Runa roundabout. Runa roundabout is half with Sharjah and half with Ajman. And before this roundabout, right and left both side Sharjah, and after roundabout, right and left both side Ajman. Okay? So before this roundabout, we will take right. We take free right. We take? When we take free right, then we get Naimia Road. Naimia. Now before this roundabout, last right and left Sharjah finish. After roundabout Ajman. Okay guys? We take right. Again we take right from here. This is Naimia Road. This is Sharjah Ajman border. Left side Ajman and the right side Sharjah. Now we are in Sharjah. This road in Sharjah. And if you get passenger from this road, you pick up. But if the left side, not pick up. Okay? This is Naimia Road, the main border of Sharjah and Ajman. Your right side, this is Mirkab area. Which area? Mirkab. This is Sharjah Ajman main border. And Ajman side, this is Naimia Road also. And there is showing Ajman Ring Road. The Ajman side, Ajman Ring Road. When you take U-turn from the Ajman side, when you take U-turn, then you enter the Sharjah. The same Naimia Road, we have the full road, 3 U-turn. From Ajman side and from Sharjah side, 3 U-turn. How many U-turn? 3 U-turn. You don't have any signal in the Naimia Road. You enter the direct, don't have roundabout. So you have 3 U-turn. When you take U-turn, then you enter the Ajman. And Ajman side, when you take U-turn, then you enter the Sharjah. So you have allowed to pick up passenger from this side, but not allowed to pick up passenger from opposite side. Okay guys? If you take passenger from opposite side, then you get 5,000 dirham fine. Now your right side, this area name is Nakhelat. After Mirkab, this is Nakhelat. And Nakhelat inside there is Sharjah Cooperative Society. The same front of Naimia Road, near Sharjah Ajman border. So this is Sharjah and opposite Ajman. Okay? And when you going Ajman and drop the passenger in Ajman and come back the same road, when you enter the Sharjah, then you pick passenger. Okay? Don't take risk anytime in 24 hours. Not midnight, not the evening time, not afternoon. Must you enter the Sharjah, then you pick passenger. Don't take risk. 5,000 dirham, very big fine. Now your right side, this is Nakhilat, Sharjah Cooperative Society. Front of Naimia Road, opposite Ajman. Now we take right from here. Okay. Now we take right from here. When we take right from here, this road name is Sheikh Khalid bin Sakkar. Sheikh Khalid bin Sakkar. When we take right from here, the left side area name is Sabha. Sabha. This is Sabha area. What is the name of this area? Sabha. Sabha area inside have only one landmark. Sabha Health Center. Sabha? Now you look me. Now we take right from Ajman, Naimia Road, Sharjah Ajman border. If we are going straight, end of the road we get Kuwait roundabout. Which roundabout? After Kuwait roundabout, if we are going straight, then we get Mobile roundabout. Going straight. After Mobile roundabout, we are going straight, then we get immigration signal. You get me? So this is the way. If you coming from Kuwait roundabout, the end of the direction, you get T Road, Naimia Road, Sharjah Ajman border. Now right side Nakhilat and left side Sabha. Sabha old name is Khannoor, but now new name is Sabha. Sabha have Dubai and Sharjah also have Sabha. This is Sabha area. Sabha? Sabha area inside have only one landmark, Sabha Health Center. Sabha? Health Center. Don't sleep in the bus, okay? Open your eyes. The right side Nakhilat area and the left side area name is Sabha. Road name is Sheikh Khalid bin Sakkar. What is the name of this road? Khalid bin Sakkar. Sheikh Khalid bin Sakkar. Right side Nakhilat. Left side Sabha. Sabha. Beside the Ajman. Beside the Ajman. Sabha and Nakhilat and Mirkab. Beside the Ajman border. And behind Qadsiya there is Sharkan. And your right side Nakhilat and behind Nakhilat Mirkab. Okay? Tell him yes, no, yes, no. Don't speaking. Why? All is silent. You are hungry? So now we take left. This is Sheikh Mohammed bin Sultan Road. If we are going straight, this is Kuwait Road. The right side Qadsiya, the left side Al Khazana. This is Al Khazana. Al Khazana inside have Lulu Hypermarket. This is Shahab Football Stadium. Shahab Football Stadium. Shahab Football Stadium. Shahab Sports Club. Here is Shahab Sports Club. This is Sheikh Mohammed bin Sultan Road. Left side Sabha. Right side Al Khazana. Al Khazana. Now ahead is roundabout and before roundabout we will take right. Before this roundabout left side Sabha and right side Al Khazana. Al Khazana the very popular, this is Shah Village. Shah Village. This is Shah Village. This is also shopping center. Same like festival. Shah Village. Shah Village. When we take right from the roundabout, then this road name is Sheikh Khalid bin Muhammad. Sheikh Khalid bin Muhammad Al Qasmi. Sheikh Khalid bin Muhammad Al Qasmi. This is Sheikh Khalid bin Muhammad Al Qasmi. And the left side, this is Jazat area. Jazat area, we finished already day 1. Jazat. Jazat area inside has the Sharia Cooperative Society. And there is Sharia Electricity and Water Authority and British Medical Complex. This is day 1 location, the left side. Day 1. Right side Al Khazana. This is Sheikh Khalid bin Muhammad Al Qasmi. And end of Sheikh Khalid bin Muhammad Al Qasmi, the end of the road, the T road name is Sheikh Zayed Road. After end of the road, we get Sheikh Zayed Road. Sheikh Zayed. This is Sheikh Khalid bin Muhammad Al Qasmi Road. Right side Al Khazana. Left side Jazzat. This is Sharjah Electricity and Water Authority Jazzat area. Complex. And before this signal, your right side have family court. Family court. Mahkamat Al-Usra. Sharjah Sharia Court. Family guidance and documentation. This is. And before the signal, left side Jazzat and the right side Al Khazana. But now we take right from the signal. This signal right and left both side road name is Sheikh Mohammed bin Sakkar. Sheikh Mohammed bin Sakkar. And Sheikh Mohammed bin Sakkar road coming from Cultural Square. Quran on the board. Now right side Al Khazana and the left side area name is Mansoura. Mansoura don't have any landmark. Mansoura, no landmark. This is Sheikh Mohammed bin Sakkar road. And Sheikh Mohammed bin Sakkar road coming to straight end of the road you get Sharjah Beach and Sharjah Cornish. Sharjah Beach and Cornish. Now head is signal and this signal if you take right and left both side road name is Kuwait. Which road? Kuwait. Now we take left from the signal. And beside this signal there is Kuwait Hospital. I show you now. After signal right side is Kuwait Hospital in Qadisiyah. This is Kuwait Hospital. And if you take right from here, this is Sharia Kuwait, Kuwait Road. Take left, Kuwait Road. If you are going straight, Sheikh Mohammed bin Sakkar. Sheikh Mohammed bin Sakkar Al-Qasmi. Sheikh Mohammed bin Sakkar Al-Qasmi. Okay. So this is Kuwait Road. What is the name of this road? Kuwait. Now your right side the same area Nasriya. This is Nasriya. What is the name of this area? Nasriya. And left side Mansoura. Mansoura. This is Kuwait Road. Now you look ahead direction of the this one. Beside the Kuwait Road board have a Ihtisas building is there. Look there. This is same direction. And from Kuwait Road board we have 5 exits. If you want to go to Clock Tower roundabout, you take free right. If you want to go to Government roundabout, you take second exit. If you want to go to Mobile roundabout, third exit. From Kuwait roundabout. From Kuwait roundabout. So must you know, must you understand too. But now ahead is this is small roundabout, and this roundabout if you take right, then you get fire station roundabout. Which roundabout? But we are going straight. Before this roundabout, right side Nasriya and left side Mansoura. After roundabout, right side area name is Loon and left side Al Feha. Left side Al Feha. And if you take right from here, this is Sheikh Sultan bin Sakkar road. Right and left both sides. Sheikh Sultan bin Sakkar. When you take right from here, then you get right side Nasriya, inside have Makkah Market. Beside the Makkah Market, there is Baldiya Medical Center. Yani municipality medical center. If you look your right side, you get it their signboard Makkah Market. Here, Makkah Market is here. This building. Makkah Market. But we are going straight. This is Kuwait Road continued. Now right side, this is Masloon area. Which area? Masloon. And the left side Al Feha. Al Feha inside have 2 landmark only. Al Feha Park and Burjeel Hospital. Burjeel Hospital. Lulu Hypermarket. Where is Lulu Hypermarket? This is Lulu Hypermarket in Masloon. Lulu Hypermarket also have lot of Lulu Hypermarket in Sharjah. Lulu Hypermarkets. Lulu Hyper. Now you look your left side opposite Lulu Hypermarket. This is Burjeel Specialty Hospital. Burjeel Specialty Hospital. Opposite Lulu Hypermarkets. Masloon. The left side Al Feha. Now head is roundabout. I forget this name. What is the name of roundabout? Yes, Kuwait roundabout. Only one driver he know. Remaining all is sleeping. And before this Kuwait roundabout, your right side Masloon and left side area name is Al Feha. Al Feha. Can you tell me about this roundabout? We have 5 areas. 5 area name? 5 area name. Around Kuwait roundabout. Masalla, Masloon, Al-Fiha, Al-Yarmouk, Al-Manakh. Yes. 5 area name.
Al-Fiha, Al-Nasriya,
Eh?
My saloon.
Al-Fiha, Masloon, Al-Manakh. This is maybe one roundabout. Now we take left from the Kuwait roundabout. Full left. Full left means Sheikh Zayed Road. If you take right from this is Sheikh Zayed Road. This is Ibrahim Muhammad Al-Midfa Road. Ibrahim Muhammad Al-Midfa. This is Istiqlal Road. Not exit. Istiqlal Road. Istiqlal. Then the fourth exit is Sheikh Zayed Road. Which road? Sheikh Zayed. This is consultative council in Yarmouk. And Al-Fiha inside have Al-Fiha Park and Burjil Hospital. So almost now day 2 is finished. Day 2 finish. This is Sheikh Zayed Road. Left side Al-Fiha and the right side Yarmouk. This is consultative council. Majlis Istishari. This is Al-Maya supermarket. Al-Maya supermarket. Front of Sheikh Zayed Road. Now you look, your left side had there one road coming from Ajman side, and this is T road in the Sheikh Khalid bin Muhammad Al Qasmi road. This road coming from Ajman border, Sheikh Khalid bin Muhammad Al Qasmi. Sheikh Khalid bin Muhammad Al Qasmi road, end of the road, the T road name is Sheikh Zayed. This is road coming from Ajman side, coming from Nadi Shahab, Shahab village, Shahab, Kariya Shahab. Okay? Now your left side, this area name is Ramla. And before this signal, if you take right from here, this is Sheikh Umaid bin Sakar road, both sides, right and left, both sides Sheikh Umaid bin Sakar Al Qasmi. Sheikh Umaid bin Sakar Al Qasmi road. If you take right from this signal, going straight, then you get Sharjah International Airport. And if you take right from here, then Sharjah and Sharjah to Dubai and Dubai to Abu Dhabi. E11. E11. This is Sheikh Umaid bin Sakar road. Sheikh Umaid bin Sakar. Right side Yarmouk and left side Al-Gubaiba. Al-Gubaiba. Right side Yarmouk area. Al-Gubaiba inside have Oasis Mall. This is Oasis Mall in Al-Gubaiba. And the right side Nisto Highway Market. This is a Nisto. This is a Nisto Highway Market. And behind Nisto there is Tasheel in Yarmouk area also. Tasheel. Thus, if you take right from here and again you take right, then you get labor office, community department and church complex is there. This is impost and rates post. This is Sharjah city for humanitarian services main entrance gate here in Yarmouk. Sharjah city for humanitarian services. And if you take right from here, then you get also Marfa International School and also church complex. Church complex from here in Yarmouk. This is Mutawa Junction. Before Mutawa Junction, right side Gold Center. Gold? Center. Left side Salahuddin Ayyubi Mosque. Al-Gubaiba. At this signal around we have 4 areas. If you coming from airport or Sheikh Umaid bin Sakar road, Yarmouk, Al-Gubaiba. After signal, Al-Wada road, Bodanik, industry number 4. This signal right and left both side road name Sheikh Sakar bin Khalid. Sheikh Sakar bin Khalid. Now day 2 is finished. What do you feel about day 2? How is day 2?
good, interesting.
Now you memorize all areas. Can you calculate the all areas? How many areas in day 2 location? Can you calculate in the book? Calculate how many areas? 20?
So,
How many? How many areas? 20 areas. How many areas? 20 areas. Okay, go down and remove the bus parking sign.
No.